Hi, welcome to my online history class. I wanted to give you some quick pointers on how to navigate around Canvas and what my expectations are. So really quickly, my name is Julie Johnson and I'm going to be your instructor in this online class. This is one of my training courses, so there are no live students in this course, but we can take a quick look at some of the navigation so you know what to expect. When you log on to Canvas, your home page should look something like the one I have in front of me right now, which should introduce you to the class. And then each week I will be uploading a checklist on the home page, which has all of your expectations and due dates for that week. This is the really important checklist to follow through my class. You also have a checklist that is generated by Canvas here, a to-do list on the side. However, my checklist, this one here, is going to be updated most frequently, so this is the checklist to follow. You can see that there will be announcements to the course if any announcements are posted. I might post an article that I find interesting for you to read, or I might have an announcement about the course expectations for that week. The most important thing I wanted to show was the gradebook. So if you click on the gradebook, you'll see yourself. This is a test student, and you'll see some courses, some assignments. If there is an assignment that I have graded, the grade will be here, and then you can also see that I will, if there's a little sort of quote box here, it means I've put a comment in. And that's a really great place for me to give you feedback on your work. You will see comments from me on most of your assignments. This is your grade book. You can also see that if you want to sort of test and see, let's say I get only a 3 on an assignment out of 4, what that will do to my grade on a running scale. So the Canvas gives you the option to show a what if, but if you want to revert back to the actual score, you can go back up here and click on that. And then the final thing I wanted to show you, well, actually 2 final things. There's a file section here that sort of gives different files uploaded that I've uploaded here. This CMS handout might be very handy for you when you're writing your paper, because all historians write in Chicago manual style. So those course sort of files will be uploaded there. And then your syllabus, which is under the bar here under syllabus, I've uploaded to your classes. It has your basic information up at the top, what my expectations are. The book that I expect you to buy also has your evaluation summaries and your due dates, and then a general course outline, which will be right down here. Of course, this outline, particularly with my quicker 8 or 5 week classes, this outline is subject to change. However, generally I stay pretty close to the outline. So that's it for a very, very quick online orientation for you. If you have any questions, my contact information is in Canvas, and it is also right here at the top of the syllabus. So I look forward to hearing from you and working with you this semester.